Tingnan nyo nga itong tukmol na ito, oh. Ganito minaliit ng undefeated champion, ang ating Pinoy, sinayawan at kinantyawan. Dahil dayo binastos na ito ng mga fans sa pagtawag pa lang ng pangalan.
Philippines, please welcome Glenn Enterina.
Dahil payat pandagdag lang daw ito sa record ng kanilang champion. Ngunit ginulat sila lahat ni Kabayan, pinabagsak ang kanilang champion sa kanilang balwarte.
Usapang bakbakan, di magpapahuli pag may bagong laban.
Madaling pagtawanan ang isang mandirigmang mukhang mahina sa paningin. Pero minsan, ang payat na boksingero ang may pinakamabigat na kamao. Ito ang hindi alam ng mga Australiano nang dumayo sa kanilang bansa ang isang matapang na Pinoy. Sa pagtawag pa lamang ng kanyang pangalan, sinalubong na siya ng pangungutya. Sinayawan, kinantyawan, at itinuring na madaling kalaban. Para sa kanila, isa lamang siyang dagdag na panalo sa malinis na record ng kanilang pambato. Pero ang Pinoy na kanilang minaliit ay hindi ordinaryong mandirigma. Siya si Glenn Enterina, tubong Lanao del Norte. May 15 panalo at 9 na knockout. Isang boksingerong hinubog ng mahihirap na laban sa Pilipinas. At matapos ang sunod-sunod niyang tagumpay, dumating ang pagkakataong maipakita ang kanyang tunay na kakayahan sa ibang bansa. Ang nakataya, ang IBF Youth Lightweight title. Sa kabilang sulok, ang undefeated Australian champion na si Jacob Nang, 9 na panalo, 7 knockout at wala pang pagkatalo. Kompleto ang kalamangan ng Australiano, sarili niyang bansa, sarili niyang crowd, at halos lahat ay naniniwalang madali niyang matatalo ang dayuhang Pinoy. Habang ipinapakilala ang mga fighter, sumayaw si Nang sa harap ng crowd. Naghiyawan ang arena, para bang sigurado na silang isa na namang Pinoy ang babagsak sa kanilang bayan. Pero nanatiling tahimik si Enterina. Walang sayaw, walang yabang, dahil ang sagot niya ay nakalaan sa loob ng ring. Round 1, mabilis na sumugod ang Pinoy. Agresibo, matapang, at walang takot makipagsabayan.
Just got to mention, Nath, about the ring entry. That awesome.
Who's the fighter Colin? He's the ring entry, making weight. He said his ring entry, the whole ground is good for him. No punches, as you can see. It's really good right here now. One draw, as you mentioned. Jacob 9-0 with 7 KOs. Which is the market. It's going to fight. Any means an easy fight for Jacob NG. This man is coming to fight. It's coming to go straight up. You take this means an easy. This is going to by any means an easy fight for Jacob NG. This man is coming to fight. He's coming to go straight up to take this title. Jacob NG, he knows what to do. He knows how to mix it up. He knows how to go to the body.
Yeah, he's being very patient here with NG. He will not punish, throws his punches.
I asked him about his game plan. He said he's going to use his footwork at the start of the fight. He's going to watch those long punches, which is obviously what he's doing here. He's going to hold his going to start walking, dominated 3-4 rounds. It's going to be very dangerous for him. Once he gets his punches off in his range, especially early in the fight. But he had to get that fight up against the ring.
That's a big thing.
Pero sa isang iglap, isang solidong suntok ang tumama kay Enterina. Bumagsak ang Pinoy, umalingaw-ngaw ang sigawan ng crowd. Akala nila, iyon na ang simula ng katapusan. Pero dahan-dahang tumayo si Enterina. Nasaktan, pero hindi nasira ang kanyang loob. Round 2, bumalik siya na mas determinado, nagtiyaga, nag-abang,
And you look at him, he's going to slip free, but he does deliver power.
at nang makita ang tamang pagkakataon, bumitaw siya ng mabilis na kanang suntok. Direktang tumama, bumagsak ang undefeated Australiano.
Enterina, and he's free, he's landing big shots. Jacob NG's in trouble here. He's looking to hold his ground.
Sa loob lamang ng ilang segundo, nawala ang ingay ng arena. Ang lalaking sumasayaw kanina, Ngayon ay pilit na bumabangon mula sa lona. Nakatayo si Nang bago matapos ang bilang. Pero pagkatapos ng knockdown, nag-iba ang takbo ng laban.
With all these might here, there's two or three good punches.
Uses that's good.
On top of the legs, he's got a hold on. With all these might here.
Uses punches. Look, here comes Jack.
May suntok habang nakatalikod ang Pinoy. May tulakan, may yakapan, at may mga galaw na dapat sana ay agad pinigilan. Pero walang malinaw na babala mula sa referee.
Gotta land. Bang, bang, bang. He's got to be careful of it. Tina's big shots. Because this Filipino has come for war. I still don't know if he's recovered well. He's still got to be careful. Hands up, it's good to see. What you got, Nathan?
He's just going to be very careful, like you said. Hold him best to the body. Keep him long. Keep him at the end of his punch. Keep his little fighter away from him.
The thing is, both fighters are hurt. Both fighters are fit.
Round 3, lalong naging magaspang ang bakbakan. May tumatamang siko mula sa Australiano. Ngunit sa halip na siya ang sitahin, si Enterina pa ang binigyan ng warning.
He can't stay. He's good. And just go in and look to land big shots. That's a Tuna's game. That's a Tuna's game. But sometimes he's got some and stand toe to toe. That's Jacob Benji. Jacob Benji, the jab. He's got to be careful. He's got to keep. He loves to mix it. He loves combinations. Two to the body, one over the top. Here comes Tuna with his own right uppercut. Beautiful two-sum again. But he's wearing a lot. His attack is better than his defense. NG's. This is what this Filipino.
Stop grabbing his leg.
He's got a foot on his head tonight, as does Jacob NG. Both of these guys bringing up against each other.
Mula sa magkasunod na atake ng Australian champion, isang solidong suntok ang naipatama ng Pinoy. Naalog ang Australiano. Napayakap ito upang makaiwas sa pagbagsak. Mula sa pagyakap, tinulak nito si Enterina, kaya napaluhod. Ngunit kunyaring nag-warning ang referee upang ma-delayed ang laban at makarecover ang kanilang champion.
Come on, bring it! And he comes and throws a big left hook as he's been doing this whole round. And G's got to be careful. A willingness to punch, a willingness to throw. Enterina knows nothing but left hooks and right hands and fight. He's got NG in the corner now. NG moves out well. He's got the variation. No, the possesses. Big punches to the body, to the touch.
Mula sa palitan ng suntok bagsak si Jacob, ngunit hindi ito binilangan ng referee.
There's a lot of water in that red corner.
Round 5, ramdam na ang bigat ng bawat suntok. Walang umatras, walang gustong magbigay. Alam ng kampo ni Enterina, kapag umabot ito sa scorecards, mahirap makasiguro ng panalo sa mismong bayan ng kalaban. Kaya bawat segundo, sinubukan niyang tapusin ang laban.
He's got to be careful. Angles are good. Left uppercut. Jab. Enterina's still there. He's still in this fight. He would have sparred hundreds and hundreds of rounds in the Philippines with tough fighters.
Round 6, muling nagpalitan ng mabibigat na suntok ang dalawa. Tumama ang kombinasyon ni Jacob Nang, pero nakatayo pa ang Pinoy, gumagalaw pa, at handa pang gumanti hanggang sa biglang sumingit ang referee. Itinigil ang laban, technical knockout para sa Australiano. Hindi makapaniwala si Enterina. Dahil pakiramdam niya, kaya pa niyang ipagpatuloy ang laban. Pero para sa maraming nakapanood, may tanong na naiwan pagkatapos ng laban. Ngayon, kayo naman ang humusga. Tama ba na itigil na ang laban? Ilagay ang inyong opinyon sa baba. At huwag kalimutang isama ang inyong lugar para malaman natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta ng mga Pilipino sa ating mga boxers.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.